Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a video and a giveaway. So I've teamed up with Crownedbeauty and today we are going to be showing you guys my install, and also we're going to be doing a giveaway which will be a free install and a custom dyeing service, and alternatively the chance to win some makeup goodies, but I will be posting some more details on that on my Instagram and in the description box. So as you can see, I have got cling film underneath the wig cap, and that is just so that the wig cap will actually mold perfectly to my head shape. So that just makes sure that everything is just neat and flat and well molded. So what we're doing here is just sewing. Now this color's nice. It's like, oh my So here she's just placing down the frontal to just make sure that it is positioned well and is in line with both of my ears. And once we found that position, we're just going to sew again. As you can see, it is slowly coming together. I'm starting to look a little bit less matte, but now it's time to get rid of the lace. And once all the lace has been cut, you can now begin to apply glue at the sides, and this is the got to be glue and also the got to be holding spray. I will link both of these in the bio, so everything that we use will be in the description box. Once all the lace has been cut off, you can then begin to style your hair. Before doing so, it's recommended that you just wipe off any residue of glue just to make sure that you have a clean surface to work with.
I read a review about it. I don't think it's very good. I don't know that.
What's this for?
It's literally like a wax. So when you try to lay it, you put it sleek, let it stay. So you literally just rub it in your hands. Not a lot, guys. Literally, you know the ones that are a little bit.
What happened?
Oh my god.
What's this? It smells nice.
It's a sleepy heat protector.
Oh. Crownedbeauty is just using a silk headscarf just to lay the frontal flat and get it ready for when we need to style it. Part is completely up to you, so whether you want beach waves, straight hair or bouncy curls, it's up to you girl, but I decided to go for loose curls.
So one of the final steps is just using a blow dryer just to make sure that the glue is set in place.
Crownedbeauty for slaying my hair, and if you guys have liked this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to enter the giveaway. Oh, okay. I can do it. That was so awkward.
There, honey.
Oh.